Hey China gang, welcome to my channel. I want to thank you guys for coming back. Today is going to be a super excited video for two reasons. One, you guys might notice this, but the video quality is quite different. That's because this is an updated video on my iPhone X, but it's also an unboxing of one of my favorite games, and that is the Let's Go Pikachu. This is the Let's Go Pikachu box. I'm doing a complete unboxing, and I also got an accessory that I'm going to show you guys today. So I have a lot of stuff that I want to show you guys, and I also, in the spirit, I got a pop socket that literally is in support of the Let's Go Pikachu. So let's just get right into it, okay? Like I mentioned, this is also an updated video on the iPhone X Plus. That's what I'm using to record, because I did do a iPhone X video, which you guys probably have seen me do an unboxing on here. So yeah, so I figured like, why not just do it also on the Max. So I also got my hair silk pressed, so a lot is going on today. Like, for the first time I cut it and like straightened it, and that's gonna be a whole nother video. But for right now, we're just gonna talk about this Pikachu. So let's get to it. All right, so right now it has like a piece of tape. I'm just gonna use a thumb tap to open it for right now. I'm gonna do a separate video where I actually am gonna be playing the game or streaming. So with this bundle deal, because this is a bundle deal, this is not just the game, it comes with the Pokeball and it comes with the game. So this is how it looks once I open it. This is the box, so I didn't show you that before, but this is the box, this is the side, shows you like it comes with Pokeball and that kind of stuff. This is the other side where it's showing you how to use the Pokeball Plus. And then this is super cute, but it shows you in the back, it says an electrifying adventure with Pikachu. That's like super cute. I love that. It's different on the Let's Go Eevee, but they have snippets of the game and all that good stuff. So like I said, this is the inside. Right there. This, it's kind of hard to wiggle out. Well, the game came out first. Okay, and then this is the box for the Pokeball Plus. So that's how that looks. Excuse my nails, it looks disgusting, I know. But we're going to open up the game first. I'm so excited, guys. I'm like super excited. Like, you don't understand. I've been waiting for this for too freaking long. Just show you guys a bit. Yeah. So I just snapped off that little piece. Oops. Oh, that new game smell. Oh, I love it. So inside is the map, and that is the game. That's the game right there. Now, that's what Pikachu looks like on the game. Super cute. I'm not gonna, like I said, I'm not gonna go into playing it right now. This is just gonna be the unboxing, so I'm going to do a separate video on that later. And I'm just gonna open this up. Actually, maybe I might pop the game in, but I'll just do that in a separate video because this might be too long. This is what comes inside. That's the charging cord. Instruction manual. I don't really need it. I'm literally prepared for this. Oh my god, I'm not gonna lie, guys, the Pokeball is kind of smaller than I thought it would be. Like, it looks so big in this recording and everything, but like, it's so much more smaller than I would expect. Yeah, so this is, I guess, to hold your finger, and like you can toss it through. Super cute. You can start it up like that. And then this is how you charge it. You just pop this little back piece open. There's like a, let's see if I can zoom in. So there's like a little indent right there. You just put your finger and boom, it pops open that, and that's where you would charge it. I'll figure this out later, like when I'm playing. I'm gonna set everything up. But overall, like that's that. And then also, like I said, I also got an accessory. So this is an unboxing up for the Pokemon case. So what happened, let me tell you the background to this story. I originally wanted to get the Nintendo Switch Pokemon bundle because I literally love Pokemon. So what happened was I couldn't at the time because I already had a Nintendo Switch, but I didn't really want to buy a new one. So I saw this little bad boy and like literally fell in love. And I'm going to actually apply. This is how it looks, by the way. I always like to do my unboxings where I feel like I just open everything and I don't really show you guys like what's going on. So let's first off feel the quality of it. I'm super excited, guys. Yes. So I was so nervous. I thought that this wasn't going to be like hard. It definitely is. It's plastic, which is perfect for me. I'm gonna grab my Switch, which is right here. So this is my regular Switch. I literally was nervous because most of the covers that I like for the Switch tend to be like ones that you have to like manually install. And the fact that I can just snap this on, look how cute that is. It's so adorable. I can just snap this on. It's gonna be awesome. So I'm basically holding it like that, and you just put it over there so it line up with everything, and then you just snap it on like this. Like, isn't that cool? That's super cool. And the front part is clear, so it doesn't affect your whatever you have going on. So if you like changed it or customized it, this would be like super cool because it still would have like certain things that you can show. So like the flip, this little kickstand. I honestly forever have problems with this fan. There it is. I always have problems with it, but that's only because I haven't put like a micro SD card reader in there. I need to probably do that so it can start saving my game stuff. But as you can see, yeah, so that's what it looks like. This is how it fits on the game, which is super cute. Very content. I'm very content with this instead of the bundle deal, because I really just wanted Pikachu anyway, so I'm really happy. So yeah, and let's just see what else comes in here, because I feel something extra in this box. Okay, so that's the consoles. These are for the console, so I forgot this actually completes the look. So there's Pikachu Thunderbolt tails that you can put on the controllers here. So I'm just gonna slide them out. I'm gonna slide out both of them, and I'm just going to put them on one by one. So you just open it up like that, do the same concept where you just snap it on, and I love this better because a lot of the other ones, like I said, you have to manually do it. Isn't that cute? Super cute. Super cute. Okay. And then I'm gonna snap it on. Whoop. And then I'm gonna show you guys an overall look of it. And just taking off these like plastic glazed strips or whatever. It's supposed to keep from like scratching and stuff like that. Definitely taking that off because that's what makes it shiny. And boom, bang, guys. So this is how it looks. Okay. I wonder if I can. This is how it looks. That's really how it looks. I'm showing you the back. It looks really nice, guys. I love it. I'm going to enjoy playing my Pokemon Go and like with all my little accessories and everything. But this video is going on way too long. I really want to get into the game. Like, I'm super excited. I'm going to do a separate video, like I said, once I get into the game, maybe streaming. Definitely comment down below your favorite Pokemon and like what else you want to see while I do this Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu journey. And don't forget to thumbs up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Trying to